Angeline came to share their family picture over a month after childbirth, finally showing to the public the face of her second child, Sylvia. Angeline on teary eyes while seeing her daughter for the first time. Sylvia and Dad so excited to see baby Sylvia for the first time. The singer-actress formally introduced her daughter to her Instagram page on Friday, October 4, 2024.